Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today we are taking a look at this Coachmen Prism Model 24CB. Guys, this is the Coachmen Prism, which is a B+ motorhome. Technically it's a Class C, but people call it a B+ because it sits on the Mercedes chassis. It's going to have lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and everything. And you don't have that huge bump over the cab, but you still have a nice little bubble. There's a front windshield up there, and if you look here, it's a seamless molded one piece. Very, very nice. This is an awesome small motorhome. It has TV on the outside, storage on the outside, and a huge inside. Now, because this is a Coachmen, they use Azdel, which Azdel is a green-based material. So if you ever get a leak in the sidewalls, don't worry about it, because it will never delaminate on you. Right here is the Mercedes cockpit area. You do have the nice 10-inch screen, which is very nice. Both seats swivel to become part of the living area. You do have a bunk over the cab. Holds 850 pounds. Hell yeah. With that awesome windshield right there. Over here, huge full wall slide out with a very nice U-shaped dinette. There is storage underneath the dinette. Then right here is the kitchen area. As you can see, you got a cooktop, stove top, and then they catfished me on this refrigerator. Look at this. That's not that much space, but they made it real tall to look like it was bigger. I see what you're doing, Coachmen. Right over here we have the corner bed. Not quite a full, not quite a queen. It's kind of its own unique little shape with plenty of storage all the way above. Right here we got a shower, a toilet, and the sink right outside, just one step outside of the bathroom. Great, so that's it. That's the review. Thank you guys so much for spending a quick 2 minutes to tour this awesome motorhome. If this is the motorhome that you guys want to buy, great. Click that link down below. A member of our team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Or, if you're still not sure of it and you want to see the full review, great. Go to our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Look up Coachmen Prism 24CB. Check out our whole video on it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.